Let's journey back to the very beginning. Imagine a universe smaller than a pinhead, hotter and denser than anything you can possibly comprehend. This was the Big Bang, the incredibly powerful explosion that created everything: space, time, and all the matter and energy that exists today. It happened around 13.8 billion years ago, and it's the starting point of our cosmic story. After the initial burst of energy, the universe began to cool and expand rapidly. Tiny particles, like protons and neutrons, started forming. These then combined to create the first atoms, mostly hydrogen and helium, the simplest elements. This era is called the Dark Ages because there were no stars or galaxies yet. Just a vast expanse of gas. Gravity, a fundamental force of nature, played a crucial role. Over millions of years, the clouds of hydrogen and helium began to clump together under their own gravitational pull. These clumps eventually became so dense and massive that they ignited, forming the very first stars. These early stars were much bigger and brighter than our Sun. These giant stars forged heavier elements, like oxygen, carbon, and iron, in their fiery cores through a process called nuclear fusion. When these massive stars died in spectacular supernova explosions, they scattered these newly created elements across the universe. This cosmic recycling is essential because it provides the building blocks for future stars and planets. Now, imagine a swirling cloud of gas and dust, enriched by the remnants of these ancient stars. Within this cloud, gravity pulled material together, creating a spinning disk. At the center, the sun ignited, and in the surrounding disk, smaller clumps coalesced, eventually forming the planets, including our very own Earth. Earth began as a molten ball of rock, gradually cooling and solidifying. Volcanic activity released gases, forming our early atmosphere. Over billions of years, through a complex interplay of geological processes and the arrival of water, the planet transformed into a world capable of supporting life. And that, my friends, is a very brief overview of how our planet Earth evolved from the fiery chaos of the Big Bang. It's a breathtaking story of cosmic evolution, spanning billions of years and involving incredible events. Remember, preventing floods is a collective responsibility. By implementing these simple measures, we can significantly reduce the risk and build a more resilient India. Let's all do our part.